Hey guys, I'm Matthew Francis and I'm going to show you how to make some mini Quiche Lorraine. They're very cute. These delicious little quiche tarts are perfect for any type of party or just to have on hand for fast breakfasts during the week. So you can find some mini pre-made pie tart shells at most grocery stores, and if so, buy those. They'll be really great and easy for this recipe. But if you can't, you also can buy some pie dough and you can cut it into little rounds and put it into any kind of muffin tin and you'll still be able to make the same thing. That's what I'm going to do today. So the first thing we're going to do is take these little mini tarts and we're going to bake the crusts in the oven so that they turn firm, start turning brown, and that way when we add the egg custard later on, the crust on the tart doesn't get too soggy and fall apart. Blind baking the crust ahead of time allows them to stay firm, hold their shape, and taste even better. So to blind bake your little tart shells, what you want to do is put them into a little muffin tin. Then you're going to take some pie weights or some dry beans and pour some into the little tart shells and bake them in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes until the dough is about 75% cooked, until they're starting to brown a little bit and they hold their shape. That's going to really help this whole process work much better. In the meantime, while your shells are in the oven, just start cooking your bacon. You can do it on the stove, you can do it in the oven. As long as your bacon gets crispy the way that you like it, that's good to go. Then you're going to take the bacon and drain it so you don't have any of that fat anymore, and you're going to crumble it up into small pieces. Next, once your tart shells are baked and they're out of the oven, you can dump out the pie weights or the dry beans, and you're going to add in the Swiss cheese, some green onion, and some of your bacon into each of the little tart shells. It's important that you add all the mix-ins into each of the tart shells, so that way we have an even amount of filling per each quiche Lorraine. Then in a separate bowl, let's add in our eggs, milk, mustard, salt, and pepper, and we're going to whisk it all together until it's really, really smooth. And then we're going to take that egg custard and pour it over the top of each of the tart shells about 2/3 of the way. Then you're going to top each one of the tarts with a little bit more of that Swiss cheese. Then take your whole tray of tarts and put it into your preheated oven and cook until the eggs in the center are set and your crust is browned, which is going to be about 25 to 30 minutes. I always give my quiches in the oven a little shake, and if they wiggle, they're not ready yet. If they don't move, they're set and good to go. Then once your quiches are fully cooked, you can take them out of the oven and you can enjoy them for breakfast. You can have them as a snack, you can have them as an hors d'oeuvre for a party. There's so many things you can do with these little mini quiche Lorraine. Everyone loves to have their own little snack to enjoy. They're super delicious, have a ton of flavor packed in a small little package, and they're so much fun to enjoy. So there we go. That's how you make mini quiche Lorraine. Thank you for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to Allrecipes. We make a ton of helpful videos that are going to be so useful for you in your kitchen. And don't forget to press the notification bell so you don't miss any of the great videos that we do make. And down in the comments below, tell me how many of these little mini quiche Lorraine you can down in one sitting. I'm guessing I could do like 4 or 5, but let me know how many you could do. Well, that's it for me today. I'm Matthew Francis, and I'll see you next time.